Alright, got the GoPro angle fixed. No way, bro. They're in awe, dude. Kennedy! Yeah! Oh my god. Oh! Oh!
No, it's the huzz!
This is a mess, dude.
Hey, bro, she's definitely going to top.
I don't care, bro. I'm actually gonna bust up. And there's a ball! Coming! Yo! What's up, bro? Yo!
No way, cop out. Didn't even care, dude.
Bro, they act
Didn't
like
care at all.
I don't care, bro.
Didn't care at all, dude.
Yo, we got a left hand turn.
What? Very fun. Oh, dude! Gnarly. Oh my goodness. He got such cheap air. Oh! That was so sick. No way. Oh, Jim! Oh, slowest wheelie! Yo, slowest one-hander, slowest one-hander. Oh no. Why'd she stop?
Hey, guys.
Thank you. Alright, let's go straight. Let's go straight. Let's go straight. Yo, dirt bike out! What happened to the group, dude? Oh, okay, they're back there. Bro, so we got a huge group of bikes out, man. Looks like 5 Surrons and a dirt bike. Kind of nuts. But 72 volt up here, 72 volt back there, a 60 volt upgraded, and then I think 2 stock bikes. It's good, bro. Throw up a wheelie, man.
Bro, we're gonna get a moto call on it.
What?
For sure a moto's coming.
Oh, should we leave? All right, let's move this way. So security is now out. Looks like they're going to exactly where we were. So we'll see what happens. Those guys normally don't care. They're very chill. But oh, they're going up. Looks like we're going up. Oh. looks like a huge accident or something over here. Oh yeah, helicopters, bro. Hey, yo. Hey! They're there too, bro. Yo, so we got 5 bikes, got helicopters over there, helicopters over here. Okay, so let's get out of there. We got 2 cops over there. One's in a car that's quick, one's in a normal car. Fire truck, 4 cops down the hill. Not great, but still going strong though. Hey, up here!
Yo, I cannot go any further back. I gotta go back.
Yo, what the hell?
I don't give a f. I will run. I can go like 1 million, bro.
What the hell? Alright, new route. Looks like the ride is falling apart. People are low on battery. And some people went off to another location. So this might end it off. Low-key a sick ride. It's on the next one, man.
You can actually wheelie.
Sometimes.